handle. All right, good morning to all of you guys. Apology for this morning. There's so many messages came in this morning, and I was really swamped. All right, I'm so sorry for that. Okay, so the thing is this, guys. Before we start this morning, okay. First of all, welcome back for the brand new week. Okay, welcome back. So let me just get myself ready. Just give me a short moment. Is my God better? Well, it's better, but just that just last night was okay. In fact, last night was pretty good. But this morning I wake up right again. There's some pain. Not too sure what happened again. All right, I didn't drink anything else. I don't drink drinks. I keep myself safe, sleep well. But I think things happen for all the good reasons. All right, okay, guys. Thank you guys so much. Wow, so many love shit. So many love from you guys. I really appreciate that. Okay, let's just begin this morning. MAO. All right, let's start. Okay, basically let's start. Today is the 8th of February 2021, Monday. Trade with the boys, members only, morning MAO. All right, Mania everywhere. Is this the peak? Well, again, I've been asked this throughout. In fact, most of the question this morning was about that. So definitely we are having a lot of mania. That is definitely we're having a lot of manias everywhere. All right. So let's just talk about it later on. Let's make sure that the disclaimer is ready for everybody. Do note that whatever I share, please do your own due diligence. All right. This is very important. Okay, continue. Right now, over the weekend, okay, a friend of mine told me, do you know about this doggy coin? I'm like, what doggy coin are you talking about? Dogecoin. All right. Okay. So apparently this is really the main thing that's driving the market crazy now. Dogecoin is a peer-to-peer electronic payment system inspired by a popular 2013 meme of Shiba Inu dog. All right. Apparently it's just was supposed to be a joke to basically just counter Bitcoin for the fun of it. Just for the fun of it. But this thing has got really incredible. And now basically everyone is talking about it. And of course, to understand this, in case you want to mine it right now, of the 127 billion available supply, 113 is already mined. Okay, so just in case you want to jump in to do this mining, all right? All I can say is that this is really incredible. Now, this counter just won last December was only 0.004476. Okay, today it's already 0.07. Oh my goodness! Look at the way it jumped. You can see that. This is a very big jump, my friends. This is the sorry, wrong colors. This is the level that it was just only 2 months ago. Okay, just 2 months ago. And now we are here. Oh my God, look at it, the jump. All right, although it's decimal point still, but it's a very big jump. All right, so that's why people is going crazy on this counter. All right, so the question is this: will this continue? Well, it is possible, of course. As long as the mania continue, nothing gonna stop this craziness. All right, nothing. And of course, you can see across the internet now. Wow, even Bloomberg is covering this. Source to new record as Elon Musk, obviously fires off new tweet. Now, Elon Musk really nowadays is the hottest property in the market. I mean, seriously, whatever he say right now, anything, everything he touch become power. All right, so whatever he says goes well. From GameStop, then to this to Bitcoin changing his profile picture. Then after that, now he do his Dogecoin thingy. Oh my God, it is really okay, going nuts. Okay, and of course now you can see that, wow, you know it's American Super Bowl. Now this is this weekend. All right, apparently it's all right. It's going nuts. People are really going it, and it's really now everywhere. And of course, apparently there is a commercial. Yeah, indeed, there seems to be a commercial. I watch it, but I don't know whether is it really on this Super Bowl. I'm not too sure, but it seems to be there. So it really went on the Super Bowl. You know how much money is that to just do it? But of course, if you say someone's supporting it, why not, right? And of course, now on internet, now again, the crypto blockchain has come back again. Everybody again going nutcase over crypto night now, and everybody's going in. And of course, everybody is just introducing another person what to buy for the next wave. So we have seen this before, and what will happen? Well, you know the answer. All right, I'm not saying that it will not continue, but when you have good coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum. These are good coins. Yes, it will survive. It will be used probably later on. But of course, later on, right, the government will come in, a federal will come in, and then they will probably have their own coins. But you cannot stop blockchain from happening. It's going to happen in our life. We're going to have one day we'll take away fiat currencies, and after that we will be actually, moving with something like this. But we're talking about across the board now. Now again, 20 new coins are out in the market again. All this will come to an end, and usually we know that when this thing happen, we know the opposite is a potential peak. Okay, so you just have to be very careful, anyway. All right, so on the other side itself, right? Wow, I told you guys, right? The coronavirus, apparently. Now, everybody take a look. The France, okay, reported fresh falls in number of COVID-19. India, wow, I remember the market that, the country have been saying that, right? They have one of the running up numbers. Suddenly, it has fallen so sharply. UK also coming down. US also coming down. Wow, the world is saved. I mean, Chinese New Year, we can go for more than 8 people, right? We should have more than that, 80, 100. I mean, that's no limit now. I mean, all the big countries has no longer have problem. And the numbers are going down such rapidly from 300,000 cases now to 100,000 cases, 2/3 down. Serious, huh, guys? Isn't that a great time for us to party now? Why stop us then? Guys, I think this one is very clear. Just 3 weeks ago, I already told you guys that I'm not interested to report any more coronavirus. I know that I'm reporting it again, but I know that this will happen. 2 weeks later down the road, you see the numbers drop dramatically. All right? You know what's the answer already. You know the answer, all right? Suddenly. So if that's the case itself, I'll be honest with you, if suddenly the thing is really so powerful, the vaccination itself, the inoculation itself, right, is only less than 10% across the whole world. Less than 10%. In US alone, it's only 10%. So seriously, wow, suddenly you have herd immunity, suddenly. So sometimes itself in life, you just have to understand how this thing will come. When you want to do some interesting way of massaging the numbers, obviously it looks good. So I told you guys, when Biden come on board, right, suddenly the number will drop 1. Yeah, magical, right? So you see, so anyway, wow, we are having a good news. Apparently, you can see that, right? AstraZeneca, the vaccination has stopped by South Africa because the data shows little protection against mutation. Suddenly now on the other side, while the positive news are going on, this vaccination from this particular country is not doing that well. So if you remember into history, let me just bring you back if you forgot about this, okay? All right, just hold on a minute, let me just bring it up. You see, 3 weeks ago, wow, people are talking to get the doses, and then it's delivered to Wales and many stuff, all right? And of course, back then itself, everybody says, all right, this is one of the better vaccines in the market. Then now people are saying that, yes, you see, that's why the numbers went down. Okay, then why is this happening? Okay, then why is this actually happening? So apparently now they are going for another one. Okay, I don't know what they're going for, but still, end of the day is that I will leave it to you to decide. But the UK coronavirus strain is doubling in US every 10 days. So again, now it's not the coronavirus, it's a UK strain. So I'm getting lost anyway. So to me, just put on your mask, keep it safe during Chinese New Year, okay? Keep it safe, all right? Keep it very safe. Now, FYI, my morning MAO, would I have it on Friday? Of course not, Chinese New Year, why would I have to do MAO? Are you okay? So Thursday MAO will be the last one for the week, okay? I will do one MAO before Chinese New Year, okay, guys? Check it out, okay? Cool, huh? All right. Okay. So now from Reuters, hedge fund bets on oil big comeback after the pandemic hobbles producers. Now what happened? We know that crude oil will go up, right, guys? You know it, guys. I already told you guys crude oil will go up. And I've been very, very, very open with that. And I mentioned you guys to it, and I've been repeating like a broken recorder. And of course, I tell you guys, you don't need to bother. You follow the price action. The market has a great way to inform you. Take a look, guys. Take a look. See, take a look. This is crude oil. You see that? Right. Where we call for crude oil itself was at $47. Now it's at $53. Then after going to $57, which is up $10. Now, at this moment now, okay, the market finally informs you that, you know what, after 5-6 days of rally like this, the market inform you that, hey, you know what, we are in a bull market. Yeah. You see that? That is the reason why I really don't bother with news. If the news say whatever itself, if the market follow through, go ahead. If the market says something else or don't even display online, go with the price action. That is most critical and most important to us as traders. Okay. So this news just came out. Yeah, 7th February. Yes, just came out. So that's why now people chase to buy crude oil. Then you know the answer already. Okay, do what you need to do, guys. Follow the chart. That's most important. Okay. All right. The thing is this: last Friday, the S&P 500 rises to the all-time high again, and it's up by 4.7% in the best week since November. Wow, you see that, right? Biden is good, isn't it? Now I realize that I don't see any more Biden around. I don't see anything, and in fact, I cannot really see his taking. I mean, other than the recent Iran thingy. But the thing is that it shows that, right? See, Biden around, the coronavirus goes down and the stock market continue to rally. So hey, come on, man, support Biden then. Okay. Anyway, the Dow Jones up by 92 points, and everything is good. The U.S. Labor Department added 49,000 jobs. I'll talk about this shortly. Right, slightly below the 50,000. Okay, and the the CVI or the VIX indicator, okay, basically I lost 12 points, and this is a stupid indicator. I mean, come on, the market up and go down. What's the point then? Okay, anyway, it's just telling you that now the fear is no longer there. Everybody is safe now. Let's go and buy shares and stuff like that. And they're saying that now, right, out of 184 companies that in S&P 500, they all reported 84% of them topped the analyst expectation. So everything is good. Time to buy shares. You can't stop this bull. All right. This is what the media is trying to tell you, that you don't be a fool to miss this bull run. Okay. This is what the media wants you to know. So of course, they keep on repeat this three statement. The Q4 earnings is good and it's better than expectation. The stimulus will pour in very soon, and the vaccination pace is accelerating. So everything is good. You just need to follow and buy and buy and buy. So guys, I'll tell you this up front, guys. The same thing again. To me itself, the fat lady is on the stage. I repeat it myself. I know she's probably having a leg strain now, having some tiredness, you need a chair probably. But I am still holding this statement that the current valuation is way, way beyond. The mania is ongoing, but before she sings, all right, this had to continue for a while. So I don't know when. Better look at the chart, we tell you more, all right? But at least you know, guys, this is what the across the media wants you to know, okay, versus what you saw in crude oil chart, right? So why do you talk about the non-farm payroll? Now, I tell you this, I really had to eat back my words. For 21 years in my trading career, all right, maybe some Fridays I really miss it due to partying, maybe or not. But I've never seen the analyst so spot on for the non-farm payroll. But last Friday, I really had to eat back my words. Okay, so this 21 years of record, I had to throw it away. Because why? Apparently, the analyst was looking at 50,000 jobs gain, and the result came 49. It was just 1,000 jobs away, and that is one of the best results ever to be in line with analysts. But I was very surprised is that the market don't react much. I mean, later the Dow went up, but my point is that when this guy was reporting it, I was expecting him to be like, "Wow, see, it's on." Nope, he was like, there, and stuff like that. So apparently it's up, right? Okay. The thing is this, do still must understand, there's still 10 million people remain unemployed. 4.3 million more than a year ago. Okay, this is something you must understand. Okay, and although the jobs has came down a little bit itself, right? Okay, the private sector came down very badly. The public sector is still maintaining, but the private sector came down very badly. So that's why they don't really going to go into that level. I realize that they just keep very quiet. So usually CNBC they will actually shows you the data, in terms of comparison, but this time they didn't show. For some reason they didn't show. Not too sure why. Anyway, just to show you now what is the impact of that. Let's take a look now at the dollar and the US 10-year yield. Right now, the dollar index, as you can see right now, let me just put it up. Okay, it's gaining a bit of strength this morning, but if you look carefully over the past 5 days, okay, let's take a look. All right, the 5 days itself, right? This is what happened. Okay, there was sudden spike in the dollar. Don't know what happened back then. Maybe some news came out, but nonetheless, itself, right? The dollar have been strengthening until Friday. It fizzled out on a Friday evening. Not too sure why, because probably is that now there is a chance of more stimulus coming out. Not too sure, but if you look at this one now, this is something very scary in my opinion. The 10-year yields. Oh my God! You see, Thursday climb, Friday climb, and climb still the high, and it's now 1.17. Now do note once again, now let me just bring you back a bit of time. Okay, that's 3 months ago. Now 3 months ago in November back then itself, when it hit the high of 1.14 closing, right, that time November, the market already got a bit jittery, and the market was very afraid, and there was a lot of yin yang, a lot of problem there. Then after that, for some reason, I think Federal Reserve came in and then bring it down all the way. So the market say, okay, coast is clear, right? Now, within a single month again, the number went up to 1.177. Okay, guys, it's even higher than November period. So what are you telling me now? What are you telling me now? If November at 1.14, you are worried, then it's now 1.17. You should be more worried. But apparently the market don't care. See? So, but the thing is, you must understand, stock market don't care because you pump in money and people is buying, everyone is buying. So of course it makes sense. The ultimate question is this: if everybody is buying, everyone is buying, question is, who the hell is selling? Then why is the US yield going up then? That tells you a lot of stuff. So guys, you just have to be very careful. Again, I repeat myself, I'm not calling for a crash now, but I'm telling you this, in my opinion, the peak is just around the corner, okay? The peak is just around the corner. Now, I didn't use the word a peak, I said the peak, okay? So my word is very clear. On the 8th of February, before Chinese New Year, I'm telling you guys, the peak is very near, okay? So of course, trade accordingly with the rules. What should you, when the rules call for buy, but when the profit go higher, just remember to take profit, okay? Just remember to take profit. If you heard me and you're very clear what I just said, please give me a thumbs up. All right, I take a short water break. All right, thank you guys for that wonderful thumbs up. So Dow Jones on Friday, for some reason, it's like a heartbeat chart. Go up, go down, go up, go down. Really, it was really killing everybody. Now, when I see such a chart in the market, right, I tell myself this is a very clear chart of their distributing the market. They are distributing, okay? You heard me right and clear. But again, end of the day, it's still up, right? Up by 92 points. So I'll leave it down there. I'll talk about the Dow shortly in the chart wise, okay? I'll go to Hong Kong later at 9:13 to make sure that we can capture Hong Kong movement. Stay tuned, right, guys? So now the thing is this, with the Congress out, seemingly they want to pass the stimulus package, and of course the Democrats saying they will pass it regardless, no matter how. So let's watch this now, okay? All right, so the thing is that everybody is waiting for the stimulus, because now you can see the calculation itself is happening, and then of course the stimulus will pass out soon, and the quarter results are already, right? So everything looks good, right? That's right. Okay, so let's visit what happened on Friday. Let's take a look. Now on Friday, the market opens. Let me just change my color. The market opens right here between the pivot 1 and pivot 2. Let's recap. So therefore, as long as the market stays above OP, it's a buy. Now, because the KSI was green in color, so it will be more biased towards the buy side. So as long as the market stays above OP, it should be going higher, right? Now, if the market comes down instead, right, if it breaks the 30914, of course, there's some selling. But because the KSI is green in color, when you go to KTR -1 to -3, that means that, right, you should be looking out for buy signal instead. And of course, if the market stays above OP, right, it's a buy towards the pivot 1 in this case. All right, so got it clear? Pretty simple, right? All right, so what happened on Friday? Let's look at the day chart itself. Right, the market did not go to KTR -1. It was pretty bullish. So all the way went up already, all the way went up to hit the KTR +1. Now, there were basically hang at KTR +1 for quite a while. Then after the BMB came in, the color changed, it came back down a little bit. Then after it went back up to KTR +1 and has hang around there. And amazingly, it stopped at KTR +1. Oh my God, did the market got a memo from us about KTR +1? So apparently, a lot of things have been repeating, and you can see that the market really knows some of our numbers here. So it's either, like I said before, that they got a copy of our MAO, or because there's another Kelvin Hunt somewhere. Okay, guys, this is something incredible, right? Okay, so before we go into the charting point, let's give you some of the macro picture first. Okay, now this is the macro picture of the Buffett Indicator. Obviously, you know, right, the total market cap versus the GDP. This is a global market cap, global, entire world, or the top economy, obviously. divide by the global GDP. So apparently now, where are we? Wow, wow, wow. You know, the US already went beyond, so no point talking about it. But they're talking about this is the global, and we are now at the same, if not higher level. Take a look at, if not the same, if not the higher level than what happened back in Lehman Brothers time. So seriously, the whole world now is again back above 22% or 22 peak point, higher than the usual 100. So you can see how crazy it is. You see, when the market goes below, example, right, 50 example, back then it's about 50. Okay, see something like this. Okay, you can see this. Now, that time in Lehman Brothers time, when the market corrects down and the whole world got hit, right? With this knowledge, right, if you go and buy stocks back then in 08 to 09, wow, boom time, man, you guys are gonna make so much money, because by now the market would have done 3 folds, 4 folds, 5 folds. Okay, so just remember this: if any time any craziness come in the market again, and if the indicator goes below 50 again, the whole world will panic. You will panic. Your friends tell you to sell, you go buy. Okay, that's very, very important. So now, if that is something that you can learn from history, the question is, will you want to learn back from history again, that now we are now at the same level, higher, if not the same level that what happened previously? So it's a choice, guys. I mean, end of the day is that, right, I can just share with you what is going on in the world, but if you do not believe it, I will leave it there. I cannot stop you. I will leave it there. But this is a global GDP, not US GDP, the whole world right now, okay? So now you can see that this is the Buffett Indicator value versus historical trend since 1990. I think it's a very good chart, okay? This tells you the standard deviation in terms of movement, and this is what happened in the internet bubble back in 1999. Now, someone asked me this question about what type of bubble are we having? I said that we're having the same mania bubble, the dot-com bubble, right? In 1999, we saw the NASDAQ crisis. Everybody buys NASDAQ shares, anything .com, everybody buy. And they were telling you this, no valuation is needed. Now, recently, of course, we have people saying that, right, the new fund manager don't care, don't bother, because they say that, right, the valuation is not important anymore, the PE ratio is not important anymore, we just buy on faith, all right? So that's why shares are going up. It's like Tesla's going up. Yeah, we know. But if you actually think back again, 20 years ago in 1999, that was the same thing this so-called new young fund manager said that. You go back to history, you also will read the same article in 1999 itself, right? When the NASDAQ crisis was going up, everybody was saying that the new fund manager said that you don't need valuation, you don't need this and that. And of course, at that time, Warren Buffett said no to technology shares, and all these fund managers make mockery of him and tell him that you are old fart here, you don't understand this, you are out and out and out. And what happened? After that, NASDAQ came from 6,000 points, dropped all the way to below 1,000. So guys, this is something that, right, whether you believe it or not, I leave it there. Because you say that, but Cal, 20 years ago, technology wasn't that fantastic. 20 years later, we are here. Okay, I can buy you that. So buying like Apple, buying like this, Amazon, all this is okay, in my opinion. But we're talking about meme stock, right? Like Dogecoin and all these counters that really got no fundamental. We are the same. So again, my point is this: I will leave it to you to decide. You make your pick, okay? My job is to just make sure that you guys follow rules. We make money intraday. But for those who do long-term positioning, you must understand this. You're fighting the Federal now. If you are shorting down the market can go higher than you can think of. But of course, eventually it will prick. All right. So this one, if we are all clear, understand, everybody, key the word understand into the group chat right now. And I prepare myself for Hang Seng, okay? Okay, now for Hang Seng, it's pretty clear. We have a new MA now together. So let me put MA up. The new MA for today is 28,871. All right, thank you guys for your understanding here yourself. I'm so happy that you guys understand. All right, if you don't understand, don't worry. We will see and let the history see for itself. Okay, so today is 28,871. So likely Hang Seng later will gap up most likely, maybe based on what I'm seeing, at least from the market right now doing. But of course, we'll see how it goes. If the MA is 828871, we can stand by for this. Okay, Hang Seng starts very soon. Let's jump back into our Dow Jones, Hang Seng chart right now to go live. Day chart, stand by, guys, stand by. We are just about 20 seconds away from Hang Seng opening price. Right now, Hang Seng yesterday it did two things. Friday is a BMB followed by a CCRY. So by right lah, Hang Seng today should be open and go higher because the KSI is also green in color. Okay, Hang Seng will open in 7 seconds time. Let's watch this closely and let's go for the big bang. Right, let's take a look. Right, Hang Seng starts now. Okay, Hang Seng has gap up. Wow, very high gap up by 29,400. Okay, Hang Seng has gap up pretty high. All right, so that's why I tell you this is the reason why Hang Seng, when you saw that movement on Friday, we know that, okay, Hang Seng now 29,515, it will be the very important technical point to watch over there. Okay, so Hang Seng now is trading at pivot 1. So as long Hang Seng stays above 29,515, it should be going higher. I repeat, as long Hang Seng stays above 29,515, Hang Seng should go higher. Okay, so you already heard me loud and clear about this Hang Seng right now. Okay, now if Hang Seng later on hit this point 29515 and then after that pulls back, then there might be some profit taking. But do note once again, the KSI is green in color, so it's going to be very tough for Hang Seng to come down for time being. All right. So guys, so you get the idea now. Pretty cool, right? Yes, indeed. Okay, all right. So you got what you need to know. Okay. So let me just give me a moment. I just do some. Let me just give you a little favor. I just do some sending off a message to a friend of mine who actually is trading the market. Just text me and just do a quick one. Okay, just give me a short moment. Hold on a minute. All right, sorry about that. Sometimes it's no choice. I've been helping a friend of mine doing some stuff here. Oh, sorry, the internet went off. Wait, okay, all good. Okay, all right, so that is the Hang Seng movement. All right, so wait, let me just, really crazy day. Okay, so let's continue on the Hang Seng, the market right now. Here we go, let's go and bring it up. Okay, just to show it to you now, live back again, this is the commodity chart right now. So I have reminded you guys about the potential inflation and the 10-year yields is moving up. So naturally, what we are seeing right now is that the commodity prices have really broke the trend. So and this trend is as far back as 2008. So it's talking about more than 14 years or 13 years trend right now, and it has broken above it. All right. So of course, if you're a trend follower, then you should know that, right, this is going to be pretty scary, right? If the way it's moving right now, it's actually pretty scary. Okay, so be careful on this. This will bring you give you an insight of what's happening, and of course traders, you can also watch this very closely. Okay, for this is the currently commodities movement, all right, at this moment right now. Okay, so that is the commodity market. So let's look at the general market right now. Hang Seng is still trading higher. So traders, you just need to do what you need to do for yourself, okay? Because really, I can't be going everywhere helping everybody. So if let's say that you have positioning, you have some stuff there, you just have to watch it on your own, okay? Just be careful, stay safe in the market. All right, this is very important, okay? All right. Yeah, a lot of messages coming in. Okay. All right, let's just show you the live market right now. Okay, so this is the Dow Jones. This is the Dow Jones today. Let's take a look. Well, things are moving up. Things is moving up. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. This is the Dow Jones. Now take a look at this Dow Jones chart, everybody. Just take a quick look on this. Okay, putting on my Facebook. Okay, I just need to connect myself again. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now the Dow Jones historical high. Now this is very important, guys. The Dow Jones historical high is 31,287. Again, I repeat, different platform will have different number. Okay, so 31,287. Now today, where we are trading now is 31,252. So therefore, my friends, just watch out for the Dow Jones. Okay, that it may go to all-time high. Okay, today with what's going on now, the market may be going to all-time high. So the big question is this: if you're going to go all-time high, would it mean that right we should buy right now? Now, based on rule, just do what you need to do. Okay, please make sure of that. Now, for MLP today, you can do your own numbers. It's somewhere around here. Do your thing. For your MA30, it's much further away now. So the MA30 for the Dow Jones is at 30,820 area, okay, around there, all right? So the Dow Jones now is much higher now. So as long as the Dow continue its upside, at least above today's MLP, in my opinion, then of course the market should be pretty strong, pretty safe on the upside. But if there's going to be any chance that the Dow Jones pull back after hitting all-time high or near to all-time high and goes below this blue line, and this blue line is 31,000, okay, 110 plus, because I haven't done my real calculation yet. All right, if anybody can tell me the MLP, it'll be great. You just key a number into the group chat, okay? And of course, you will be given a service. So of course, if the Dow Jones hit the all-time high level, then very simple. The 5% rule will come back again. You just have to choose a new all-time high and compute the 5% level. Now, if the Dow Jones missed the all-time high by a fraction of it, maybe it's all possible, right? Then the 5% rule is still usable for, in the time to come. All right, so do your maths and you know. But at least for now, today the Dow Jones seems to be still on the way to challenge the all-time high level. All right, so that is the Dow on the daily chart. Okay, let's look at the, this is my longer term chart. I told you guys that we are still pretty far away from the so-called turning point in the market. Now, the turning point can be market come down and turn from here, or can go all the way there and turn from there. So it's going to be both sides. So I don't know which side will be going on, but at least for now, we know that the market is still very bullish at this very moment. Okay. All right, this one is the weekly chart. Now, weekly chart, we can see beautiful, I mean, TA is supposed to inform you about how things work. And you look at it, oh my God, beautiful, right? The market stays above the trend line that's all the way since March last year. And beautifully, it stopped perfectly, and then it went up again. So as long as this major trend line is not broken, I think everything is safe. And because now, the market, right, can do a engulfing bull now. I repeat, it's engulfing bull right now. So obviously, if you're telling me that the market will go higher, right, I couldn't deny you for doing that. But of course, we do see a very strong resistance at this common point at 31,240 area, which is right now. So let's take a look more. But I believe that, right, if it goes higher, all-time high can be easily breached. Another 30 more points to go. But on the contrary note itself, right, the market have been trying to reach this point for 4 times or 5 weeks. So if this is going to be the 5th time or 6th week, right, then traders, you need to be very careful, okay? So 31,240, that is a very important level to watch out for the Dow Jones, okay? All right, clear on that? Okay, so let's look at the Dow Jones from the our own chart point of view. Okay, our own chart, let's bring it in, right? Yeah. Okay. I delete away. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay, make it bigger. Yeah, guys, I apologize that I know if you're texting me on the side, I can't reply you right now because I have so much thing to do. I really apologize. Please give me some time. I'll get back to you when I can. Relax a little bit, okay, guys? Hang on, relax a bit. So many messages coming in. Okay, guys, apologize on that. Okay, so now this is the chart right now on the Dow Jones. Now you can see on the chart right now. Okay, Dow Jones. Okay, I think I have some disruption on my handphone. Oops, what happened? Okay, okay, a moment. I'm trying to turn on. I think I really need one more computer at home, man. Serious. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now this is the Dow Jones chart right now. The opening price apparently is at between the pivot 1 and pivot 2. So as long as the OP market stays above OP, Dow could be going even to 31,470. That is possible, right? Of course, the first target will be the all-time high level, like I mentioned to you. So that will be the thing that I'm watching out for the Dow Jones. Okay, now look carefully. The KSI is green. Now I repeat, the KSI is green, not red. Though now is red. See, the thing is this is a beauty part of our KSI indicator. Look at it. The Dow is now it's a day high today, right? But the KSI now is red in color. So I'm telling you guys, our KSI got nothing to do with the price action. Nothing. It's nothing to do with price action. So as long as the market stays positive at the moment right now, okay, stay because the KSI is green in color, the market, the Dow should be going higher. It should be going towards the all-time high level again at 287, okay? So traders, stay firmly on this. Unless the Dow Jones really come down for whatever reason, then it breaks below pivot 1, 31,076, then maybe there will be some selling. But at the moment now, I cannot see any reason on a technical ground other than overvaluation. But this is valuation is one thing, market is another thing, all right? So that is the Dow Jones movement that I'm sharing with you right now. Okay, so that's Dow Jones. So let's look at the gold market, shall we? Gold market. Now for gold, we can see very clearly the gold market, right, went down on Thursday. Then on Friday, I told you guys that, right, there might be a rebound soon, and apparently the gold really rebounded. And of course, what was the reason? Fundamental. They're saying that, right, the US dollar, okay, came off a little bit, and the yield is turning up. This is a bit crazy though. Now they say the US dollar is going down, which is okay. This is fine, accept that. But the yield is going up, so it's actually okay for gold. Huh? Question mark, question mark, question mark. So I don't know. All right. So they're saying that now the recovery is there now. The gold should recover. Hey, 2 days ago you're talking about the market is bad. Now you're doing gold is buy. Come on, man. The reason why I'm showing all these news is because some of y'all love news, so I just share with you whatever is available in the market. Okay, I get you the latest for you guys. I get you the latest. Okay, all these news I took it off from this morning at about 7 to 8 a.m. So these are the latest, and I always look for the nearest one. Okay, because the only one I have now is because it's weekend, right? So you don't have minutes ago chart. You only have days ago. So days ago news. So this is the latest in the market. Okay. So let's take a look at this market right now for gold. Now gold will be on Friday. Okay, on Friday it opens here, right? It was between pivot 1 and pivot 2. But I told you guys the KSI was green in color. If the market gold stays above OP, it will go up, right? And indeed, it really happened. Gold actually went up on Friday. Okay. So that's why your KSI is so important. The terrain is so important. If the terrain tell you that I'm a buying day today, if the market stays above OP, stay long. That is so simple as that. You just have to follow the terrain, right? Not too difficult, right? Simple as that. That's what happened on Friday. So look at what happened on Friday. Let's see whether anything you can learn from there. All right, on Friday, you can see that the market stabilized at opening price. Okay, then after that, it's going to move higher. Fair enough. Then, of course, with a big jump, it went to KTR +2. Okay, pretty cool, right? What was amazing is that when the gold price came back down, oh my goodness, look at the touch OP. Brilliant, right? Brilliant. Touch OP is a buy call. So CCRY touch OP, pivot above OP, and then of course the KSI is green. If you miss the one in the morning, you can actually buy this one in the evening, right? If you buy gold, but of course the KSI then was red, right? So you do half a bullet size. And then after that, wow, look at it, gold went all the way to KTR3 already. So guys, this touch OP is very powerful. Don't miss it, guys. Think about this, there's only 4 prices in the market, open, high, low, close. And the only price that don't change the whole day is the opening price. And that belongs to the big boys in our opinion. So if the boys purposely tap you at the opening price and rebound, right, you don't need to think already, just go in to buy, okay? Remember that, but vice versa. If you tap it from the bottom up and hit you with the OP, bring it down, then it's a sell signal, okay? Got it? If you can understand what I just say on the OP, please key the word OP or opening price into the group chat, okay? Come on, guys, let's do it together. Okay, 105 of you, so I'm sure I can get more numbers than that, okay? All right, so Dow is still going up. It's at now at this day high at 31,258. Gold price have came out a little bit. Let's look at gold right now. Okay, so what we are seeing on gold, in the conventional chart, there's some changes. Okay, no much change in the MA30, MA200. For MA200, it's still the same. It's at 1873 for MA200. So I'll leave it there. MA30 got a bit of changes. 1845 right now for the MA30. Okay, thank you for all the confirmation. Okay, and okay, and today's goal is coming up a little bit. Now for goal MLP, you just have to do it. Okay, get it done properly. All right, it's about 180 plus plus. I won't give you the exact number. You can do your own mathematical calculation. You should know what to do. So for gold, as long as today, it stays above OP, it's fine. Buying is still okay. But if gold later pull back, all right, it has to stay above the MLP. If it stays above that, that is fine. But if it actually goes below, there could be some selling, okay? But if you hit the MLP and rebound, traders, you should know what to do somewhere around here, okay? Do what you need to do, follow the rules, follow the engagement, and you should be doing fine, okay? All right, very good. Now, how about the weekly chart? Well, you can see on my beautiful chart itself, last Friday, the gold went down, although it recovered from the low, but it's still below 1866. So if the gold stays below 1866, then gold should be going lower. Okay, all right. So just traders, just be careful on that. Okay, all right, pretty cool, right? Okay, so you got your trades right now. Okay, just continue the day. Let me just Hang Seng and went to a new high. Traders, just watch out for that. Okay, Hang Seng and went to a new high level. Okay, Hang Seng is a new high. So traders, do what you need to do. Okay. Okay, so that is the what's happening right now on the market scene. Okay, for gold, let's look at the today's gold. Okay, so today's gold, let's take a look. Now today's gold, the opening price is over here. Okay, opening price is here. As it is between the pivot 1 and pivot 2. Now KSI is green, the terrain is buy. So that, let's say if the gold stays above OP, it will go up. Okay, the thing is this, the keyword is if the gold stay above OP. So which means that gold must stay above OP for this to actually happen. All right, so gold must stay above OP. Okay, it must stay above OP. Now on the other side, now if gold basically goes below OP, which is what's happening now, I mean, the so-called very important support is 1782, but I don't think you'll go there today. I don't think so unless something drastic happen. All right, so MLP can draw it there. So the thing is this, the KCX is still blinking at the bottom of the screen, so that tells you that there's going to be a potential bottoming, but the colors are still red, right? So if the colors are still red, then you cannot call for a buy yet, okay, on the day chart trading, okay? But intraday, as long as the rules let you do it, just go accordingly. Okay, that's what you can do. All right, so watch out for that. If the market comes down, when the market go to KTR -1 to -3, traders, if you see any CCRY, you can go for buy on the gold market. All right, but there's something I need to warn you guys, something very important is this. On Wednesday, last Wednesday, gold closed below the support level, right? And this is the cage support level. Realize that? Yeah. So it closed below the cage support level, right? And Friday, the gold rebounded. So it did not go down to the low here. It didn't. So I'm just going to give you a simple warning here. Now, in case this happened, if the market later on breached the MLP, traders be careful, right? Gold may purposely come down to the this Wednesday low, Thursday low, then maybe you rebound. Okay, so watch out for this, okay, because it hadn't fulfilled that part itself. Okay, so traders, just let you know the number, just to be that you have an understanding, is 1784. Okay, 1784. So it's pretty near to pivot 2, by the way. So 1784. I know that now it's very far away, but again, anything can really happen. So traders, just watch out for that 1784. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for all the support. Okay, time checks 9:30 already. Okay, let me just take the silver, a quick one. The silver will be ready soon. The silver, where's my indicators? All gone. Okay, interesting. Where did I put? Wait a minute. Here, sorry. Okay, for silver today, the MA30 is here. The MA30 is here. On Friday, the way the MA30 reach was beautiful. See that MA30 reached there beautifully. So now the MA30 for today for silver is $26.24. So as long as silver basically maintain at $26.24, I mean, at the moment now it's still okay. But if silver cannot go up past this $27 and maybe 80 cents range, if it cannot go above there in the next few weeks, right, silver may come down all the way here itself, and that's about $25. Okay, so this is my take. So traders, just take note of that. I repeat myself once again. If silver cannot go past 27.80 in the near term, all right, then likely silver will come down to $25. Okay, so you've got my cue there on silver prices. Okay, done on silver. All right, for oil prices, I say as long as oil keep on maintaining above the MA30, there's no reason to panic. All right, so this is ongoing now. Obviously, that's the reason why commodity prices going up. Do note again, if crude oil prices go up, right, commodity prices sure go up. Not because it's commodity alone, because you think about this, all the food stuff there, they need to deliver the transportation, logistic. Humans are still ongoing living, right? So if let's say now, if the transportation costs increase, obviously, in the dollar depreciate, the so-called powering cost will go round up all the way to consumer level, and inflation will sure come in. And when inflation come in, and the stock market is at all-time high, while if the Federal Reserve want to maintain their stand of really positioning themselves as a Federal Reserve and a central bank, then they need to do what they need to do. So at the moment now, just take note of that. Okay, as the crude oil go higher, it will take some time before the effect comes in. But when it comes in itself, right, everybody will feel it at the same time. Okay, guys, that is the end of my this part here itself. Hold on, don't run away. Let me show you my Bitcoin. Now, the thing is this, I'm always a very honest person come to charting and stuff. So last night, Sunday afternoon to today, well, we have about four trades, okay? Now, why 4 trades? Because, right, this particular trade, this trade itself, oh, sorry, this one is a wrong lost trade, sorry. Yeah, this is lost trade. So that means that we actually have lost trade, actually, though we have only 2 wins out of 5 trades. Okay, I saw it wrongly this morning. Error. Okay, so yesterday for the Bitcoin, if you went long on Bitcoin yesterday, out of 5 trades, right, we have 3 losses. Okay, 4 losses. Sorry, 4 losses. Hey, what am I talking about? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, sorry, 6 trades. You have only 2 wins out of 6 trades, so we have 4 losses yesterday. So yesterday was quite a bad day for us. But you know, trading is like that. Sometimes you make, sometimes you lose. But overall, as long as you make money, that is the more important thing. So I'm not gonna lie to you, yesterday was a bad day for Sunday. So usually Sunday a good day for us, but oh, it went wrong. That's too bad then. Okay, guys, last of all, food for thoughts for today. Don't ask the world to change. You change first. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for today. Well, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's MAO. I tell you what to do. The Dow Jones is near all-time high. Do what you need to do. All right, trade according. Be safe and take care. Bye-bye.